being celebrated for her human rights work in a legal career spanning over 3 decades. Former Constitutional Court Justice Yvonne Mokgoro was the first black woman to be appointed as a Constitutional Court Justice by former President Nelson Mandela in 1994. She pursued equality and justice for all through her work as a Justice of the Apex Court. Former Deputy Chief Justice and the second recipient of the George Bizos Award paid his respect for her quest for justice.
She is a towering human being. She has been a justice of our highest court for no less than 15 years. She is one of the magnificent 11. She's one of the first inaugural justices of the court.
Family of the late former anti-apartheid activist and the inaugural recipient of the George Bizos Award, George Bizos, expressed gratitude to the Legal Resource Center.
This evening we should not concentrate much on George Bizos. Yes, we must remember his good deeds and champion his legacy. More important now is to focus on the recipients, past, present and future, who through this award may inspire others to greater heights.
Mokgoro, who is the third recipient of the George Bizos Award following former Chief Justice Dikgang Moseneke, is a highly decorated and respected expert in constitutional law with a long history of championing human rights and social justice. She used the opportune moment to urge her colleagues in the legal fraternity and the general populace at large to fight to reclaim South Africa from state capture.
Our constitution, as it stands, has a number of strengths and weaknesses which can enable us to make real the promises envisioned in the Constitution.
Mokgoro, who has since retired from the bench, also thanked her family for supporting her during her 15-year stint as the Concord Justice. Offenses Timo, SABC News, Johannesburg.
Former Chief Justice Mogoeng says that he has a calling to be South Africa's president. He was speaking on the sidelines of the second Southern African Institute of Government Auditors annual conference.
I believe running for president is not something to just want to become. It's a serious responsibility. What are you going to do with an economy like this, with the governance systems in the manner that they are at national, provincial and local government? Let me make a truly controversial statement. I know that I'm called to be president. I don't know when. I don't know how. So I'm not going to just start some political party or start lobbying and positioning myself to become president.